Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to find and replace words in Google Docs. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Google Docs. Now I'll open one document over here. You can see this is my document. Now I want to find some words and replace them on this Google Docs. To find words, type Ctrl+F on your keyboard. And you will find this dialog box of Find in Documents over here. Now type your words to find out. I type here hence, H-E-N-C-E, hence. You can see here this hence word is repeated 4 times on my document. 4, 3, 2 and this one 4. Now to replace this with different words, just click on these 3 dots over here, and over here you can see Find and Replace. Here is find, that means document has found this hence word. Now you can replace with any one. I'll go with this therefore. Then you can see here is replace with therefore. If I click on this replace, one of fourth means the one which is selected over here will be replaced by therefore. Now if you want to replace all, we can just click on this replace all. Now I'll go with this replace all. I'll click on this. And you can see hence word is not found in my text. In this way, we can find and replace word in Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.